October 2025 Visa Bulletin predictions. What immigrants need to know. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated October 2025 Visa Bulletin predictions. If you're waiting on a family-sponsored or employment-based green card, this could be a game-changer for your timeline. The Visa Bulletin, released monthly by the U.S. Department of State, tells us when immigrant visas become available based on your priority date. With the new fiscal year starting in October, we often see positive movements, but high demand can lead to some pauses. Stick around as we recap September's bulletin, share expert predictions, and what it means for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. Let's jump in. 1. Quick recap of September 2025 Visa Bulletin. First, a baseline. The September 2025 bulletin showed steady progress in several areas, but backlogs remain for high-demand countries like India, China, Mexico, and the Philippines. For family-sponsored categories, final action dates. F1, unmarried adult children of U.S. citizens, all other countries at July 15, 2016. Mexico at April 22, 2005. Philippines at July 15, 2012. F2A, spouses and minor children of permanent residents, mostly at September 1st, 2022, with Mexico slightly earlier. F2B, all other at October 15th, 2016, Mexico at April 1st, 2007. F3, all other at August 1st, 2011. F4, siblings all other at January 1st, 2008. India at November 1st, 2006. On the employment-based side, EB1, priority workers current for most, but China at November 15th, 2022, and India at February 15th, 2022. EB2, advanced degrees/exceptional ability, all other at September 1st, 2023. India stuck at January 1st, 2013. EB3, skilled workers, all other at April 1st, 2023. India at May 22nd, 2013. Overall, modest gains, but October could bring more as the fiscal year resets and used visas. October 2025 predictions, family-based categories. The Visa Bulletin predictions for various family-based preference categories indicate expected advancements from September, with specific timelines for different countries. For the F1 category, unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens, visa priority dates are projected to move forward by 2 to 3 weeks for most countries, while Mexico may see a more significant jump of 6 to 8 weeks. The example final action date for F1 is August 8, 2016. For the F2A category, spouses and children of permanent residents, a consistent advancement of 3 to 4 weeks is anticipated across all countries, with a final action date of October 1st, 2022. The F2B category, unmarried sons and daughters of permanent residents, is expected to progress by 1 to 2 weeks globally, with Mexico again seeing a 6 to 8 week advancement, and the final action date is November 1st, 2016. For the F3 category, married sons and daughters of U.S. citizens, dates are projected to advance by 4 to 5 weeks, with the Philippines moving 5 to 6 weeks, aligning with a final action date of September 15th, 2011. Lastly, the F4 category, siblings of U.S. citizens, anticipate a 1 to 2 week advancement, with the Philippines progressing by 6 to 8 weeks and a final action date of January 15th, 2008. These predictions reflect varying processing speeds across countries. These shifts could mean faster approvals for thousands of families. For dates for filing, expect even more optimism, like F2A jumping to July 1st, 2025, allowing earlier eye for 85 submissions. 3. October 2025 predictions, employment-based categories. Turning to employment-based visas is where excitement and caution builds. The start of FI 2026 often spills over in used visas, but EB2 and EB3 face high demand. The U.S. Employment-Based Visa Bulletin for October 2025 outlines key predictions and advancements from September, with specific timelines for various visa categories across countries. For the EB1 category, priority dates for China and India are expected to advance by 2 to 3 weeks, reflecting steady but modest progress in processing. For all other countries, EB1 remains current, meaning no backlog exists, and visas are immediately available upon approval. In the EB2 category, a forward movement of 1 to 2 weeks is anticipated. However, there is a potential risk of retrogression due to increased demand, which could delay priority dates if visa numbers are exhausted. Similarly, the EB3 category is projected to advance by 1 to 2 weeks, but also faces a risk of retrogression due to high application volumes. Example final action dates include September 15, 2023 for EB2 and April 15, 2023 for EB3, indicating the cutoff for visa issuance. The EB5 category, primarily for investors, continues to remain current for most countries, ensuring immediate visa availability. These projections highlight ongoing efforts to manage visa backlogs while navigating demand-driven challenges, particularly for high-volume countries like China and India. Applicants should monitor updates closely. If you're an EB2 NIW, don't bank on big jumps. Modest gains are more likely. Pro tip: check USCIS for which chart to use, final action versus filing. 4. What this means for you plus action steps. Great news? These predictions signal hope for progress, especially for family ties and priority workers. But remember, the official bulletin drops mid-September, so stay tuned. Quick tips: track your priority date with tools like myprioritydate.com. Consult an immigration attorney for your specifics. Prepare docs now if your date nears current. Thanks for watching. Including the official State Department site and prediction experts are in the description below. Drop a comment with your thoughts, and if this helped, smash that like button. See you next time for the official October release. Take care.
October 2025 Visa Bulletin Predictions. What immigrants need to know. The October 2025 Visa Bulletin predictions bring cautious optimism for immigrants awaiting green cards. With the new fiscal year starting, some categories are expected to see steady progress, while high-demand countries like India, China, Mexico, and the Philippines continue to face backlogs. For family-based visas, modest advancement are projected. F1 may move forward by 2-3 weeks globally and 6-8 weeks for Mexico, F2A by 3 to 4 weeks, and F2B by 1 to 2 weeks, with Mexico advancing more. F3 could progress by 4 to 5 weeks, with the Philippines moving slightly further, while F4 anticipates a 1 to 2 weeks gain. Expect a stronger 6 to 8 week push over the Philippines. On the employment side, EB1 remains current for most, with China and India advancing 2 to 3 weeks. EB2 and EB3 may see 1 to 2 weeks movement, but there is retrogression due to demand. EB5 stayed current. Applicants should closely track priority dates, consult USCIS charts, and prepare documents early for faster processing opportunities.